people. We do some test with 2 Maverick before I do nothing upon them. As me people, and trigger nothing go in it. That's me not telling you. See them. So this is one silence I'm take care of. I don't know. Test me, I go test it before me. As me I tell them before me do nothing upon them. I want to see how they operate. So I don't know enough people. I got test it 2 of them with 3 can. See them penetration or you don't know, so what is what. So with that said, trigger not going as me telling I fuse me I go use. So stay tuned.
There's a lot of marbles.
So see target your people. 3 can.
A lot of marbles.
Stay tuned, peeps. Yes, people. See that? This one I go try now. Yes, peeps. Third shot, peeps. One more left, people. Look for them and how people see what is what. Not even a dent. Something alright. Second shot. See me? See the right this one. So that's where lick peeps. See, you range off your head. So not even a dent on this. So I don't like that. This is one of that. This is the second shot. So you don't know. this one now. No, remember. So you don't know people. So you fly on this. The marble still in there. Take out the marble. So you don't know. Oil bucket. So you don't have to cock it back. So you fly go in the people. See look a bump. You see me? So penetration of bad punny. You see me people? But somewhere punny look like it's a leak or something. I suppose the force than this. So with that said, I don't know yet enough people, but they don't know. So I have to test them before I do nothing upon them to see what is what. So with that said, deal with the next one. So yes people, same process. This I know. I don't know. Stay tuned. How we go. Let's go with first one. Roughly 4 meters. Let us see penetration meters for them people. Watch out, people. What here? What is? First shot. I don't want to run. So, when we done this one, you shot them people.
Come back to you. Come to me, Abby. The tap with me.
You don't know people. So no match. So I don't know. Miss couple. See you next one on us. You see me? So just test me, not test them as me telling the people, so stay tuned. So yes people, this
Don't know start.
so you don't know
So she red button.
exit. You see me? But
I red button.
something I go on because the body went to fly through. So two of them need fix. So I have to test them before I fix them, as my people. So that's it.
Yellow, green.
So that's it. Maverick FX. This is FX Maverick. Another one is PCP Maverick. So
No,
you fly through jug.
Uncle, what? Uncle, pudding.
No exit, just barely boring. So
Uncle.
this now same process, barely boring. So you don't know time they fix, you see true potential of them. So with that said, so there's one of those grain off your head. As my peeps. So with that said, remember whole heap of love. As my people. Whole heap of love. Then I will feed them something you know to see if I can do some work on your house. As my people, because whole heap of something I have to do about. As I tell you, I have to make you know what go on. So with that said, I don't know, whole heap of love. You see me? They're not them feeding pan people. When they see me, they see them I do. So they know it's feeding time, so you don't know no people. Still the funny. They come need to pull down and now. For pull it down. I'm catching it already. Birdie matter peeps. Now go feed them, no go on side. Where I pick my foot? Yeah, hungry, they're hungry now peeps. Go! Now go for no feeding. So people remember like, share, subscribe. Whole heap of love. You don't know go. Whole heap of love. So you don't know. Next time you see them a finished product. Finished product. Don't know me take off the silencer. So you don't know. FX Maverick. Now this the PCP Maverick. You see me? So with that said, whole heap of love, you know, guys. Whole heap of love. I'm out. So, yes, people want late night cooking, I don't know you go. What time I know? 8:44. So, I don't know. All who don't eat chicken back. This is chicken back, people. Fry up dry and then deal with it with the ackee. So I don't know, people. Stay tuned for that. So I go deal with it. You fire already the oil hot. So I don't know, people. Rice, I look both today. That deal with it already. There's my people. Rice and ackee. Stay tuned. So yes, people, when you say we're going to go up on the crop pushing at night, we're not worried about tonight, so we just go tomorrow night. I don't know. So stay tuned to that. So all the season with just one chicken muggy. put in nothing yet. Don't tell him how I deal with my thing. Make meat kind of half cook, and then I deal with the season them. So with that said, peeps, remember, like, share, subscribe, free to drop your comment, same way. So, hold you for love, stay tuned. So go on, I'll leave with the pot, you don't know then with it. So that's it. We're gonna pray to go up on the crab hunting night, but plan change people, so we'll just set up the gears and prepare for tomorrow night. So you don't know people, remember, only for love. Only for love. With that said, stay tuned. So yes, people, soon done fry and also don't know. Remember, stay tuned. Only for love. Change your pot. So remember, like, share, subscribe. Everybody asleep now, peeps. Right, me have to extend my belly tonight. Remember, only follow, like, share, subscribe. Don't know where you go. So that is it, people. Don't know Remember, like, share, subscribe. Free to drop a comment, see me tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go on some hunting, so you don't know. I'm gonna go see what I on. So as I say, like, share, subscribe. Free to drop a comment. You don't know. I'm out.